Hello students, today we are going to see human digestive system. Yesterday we have started our lesson, but now we see human digestive system in detail. Okay, see, you can see here the human digestive system. This is the anatomy of digestive system. Okay, you can see this is a so um, complex structure of digestive system. It involves the organs as well as the glands. Okay, you can see here gallbladder, then pancreas, these are the glands, and these are organs means esophagus, mouth, then this stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver. Okay, these are the organs. Okay, now we see digestive system. The human digestive system is a complex series of organs and glands that processes food. Means digestive system में क्या होता है, organs and glands का एक complex series है. In order to use the food we eat, our body has to break the food down into smaller molecules that it can processes, and it also has to excrete waste. Means whatever the food we are intaking, that food particles has to be break down, okay, into the smaller molecules. बाद में उसमें क्या होता है कि जो एब्सॉर्प्शन मीन्स जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो एब्सॉर्ब किए जाते हैं, और बाद में जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है जो वो एक्सक्रीट किए जाते हैं. You can see here the anatomy of the digestive system. See, this is the oral cavity. It contains the salivary glands, pharynx, and tongue, teeth. Yesterday we have seen more details about the tongue and teeth. Okay, this is a esophagus. You can see here liver. This small part is called as a pancreas. Okay, here is the gallbladder. Then stomach, this is a large intestine, this is small intestine. Okay, you can see, and this is a rectum and anus. Now we see more detail about the digestive system. You can see here first esophagus. When we are intaking the food into the mouth, it breaks down into the small pieces with the help of teeth, and the saliva get mixed into the food particles. Okay, and that food particles are ingurged मतलब क्या, यहाँ पे इसोफेगस से वो इंगर्ड होते हैं और इट गोज़ टू द स्टमक. बाद में यहाँ पे स्टमक में ब्रेकडाउन होता है फूड का, और जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं वो भी एब्सॉर्ब किए जाते हैं. देन it goes to the small intestine here, then into large intestine. Okay, you can see here esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, then small intestine, rectum, these are pancreas. This is the appendix. Appendix is not involved into the, means there is no any use of appendix. Okay, so now we see the digestive process. The start of the process, the mouth. Yesterday we have seen that digestive system starts from mouth. The digestive process begins in the mouth. Food is partly broken down by the process, by chewing and by the chemical action of saliva enzymes. These enzymes are produced by the salivary glands and break down starches into smaller molecules. Means digestive system जो है वो it begins in the mouth. माउथ में क्या होता है, जो फूड पार्टिकल्स जो है वो ब्रेक डाउन किए जाते हैं थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ च्यूइंग. ओके, this is done with the teeth. Okay, then the chemical action is there with as we know that saliva is mixed up in the food particles. Okay, salivary with salivary enzymes. Then हम लोगों ने देखा कि ये जो सलाइवा है ये फूड में जो स्टार्च है उनका ब्रेक डाउन करता है इनटू स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल्स. नाउ वी सी सेकेंड स्टेप ऑन द वे ऑफ स्टमक द इसोफेगस. हम लोगों ने देखा कि इसोफेगस थ्रू इसोफेगस जो फूड माउथ में जो है वो पास किया जाता है टू द स्टमक. आफ्टर बीइंग च्यूइंग एंड swallowed, the food enters the esophagus. ओके, फूड जो है वो इसोफेगस में एंटर करता है. द esophagus is a long tube that runs from the mouth to the stomach. It uses rhythmic wave-like muscle movement called peristalsis to force food from the throat into the stomach. मीन्स इसमें कुछ मसल्स होते हैं, मस्कुलर मूवमेंट्स होती है, उसे ही बोलते हैं रिथमिक जो मस्कुलर मूवमेंट होती है जिससे ये फूड जो है वो फोर्सली पास किया जाता है फ्रॉम द थ्रोट इनटू द स्टमक. द मसल मूवमेंट गिव्स अस द ability to eat or drink even when we are upside down. Okay, now we see in the stomach. Now food goes to the stomach through from mouth to esophagus through esophagus and esophagus to stomach. The stomach is large sac like organ that churns the food and bathes it in the very strong acid. बेदिंग होता है, बेदिंग मतलब वो वहाँ पे स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होता है जिसे बोलते हैं गैस्ट्रिक एसिड. ये एक सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है जिसके अंदर फूड आने के बाद गैस्ट्रिक एसिड जो है वो पूरा मिक्स हो जाता है, इसमें वो नहाता है. बाद बेदिंग मतलब क्या, नहाता है. फूड इन द स्टमक that is partly digested and mixed with the stomach acid is called the chyme. Food in the stomach partly digested, वो क्या होता है कि partly digested होता है and that partly digested food mixed with the stomach acid and that is called as a chyme. This chyme then goes to pass to the small intestine. Now we see here in the small intestine. After being in the stomach, food enters the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. Duodenum is nothing but it is the first part of small intestine. It then enters the jejunum, then the ileum, then the final part of the intestine. This is the final part. There are three parts, that is duodenum, then jejunum, then ileum. Okay, in the small intestine, bile produce in the liver and store in the gallbladder. Okay, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में क्या होता है, जो बाइल जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होता है इन लिवर एंड स्टोर इन द गॉल ब्लैडर. लीवर में प्रोड्यूस होने वाला ये एंजाइम है जो कि स्टोर किया जाता है गॉल ब्लैडर में. पैनक्रियाटिक एंजाइम्स and the other digestive enzymes produced by the inner wall of small intestine help in the breakdown of food. ये सारे जो एंजाइम्स हैं कौन से बाइल है, पैनक्रियाटिक एंजाइम्स है, अदर डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स है, ये पूरे एंजाइम्स जो है वो these are produced by the inner wall of small intestine and these are mixed up with the food and break down the food. Okay, then in large intestine, what happen in large intestine? After passing through the small intestine, food passes into the large intestine. In large intestine, some of the water and electrolytes, that is chemical like sodium, are removed from the food. Means यहाँ पे absorption होता है, means water का large intestine में वाटर एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स जैसे कि chemicals like sodium, potassium, these are the electrolytes. ये जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स हैं ये रिमूव किए जाते हैं फ्रॉम द फूड. Many microbes like bacteria, like bacteroids, lactobacilli, acidophilus, uh, Escherichia coli, that is E. coli, and the Klebsiella in the large intestine help the digestion process. Okay, do you know these microbes also helping in the large intestine in the digestion process. Okay, the first part of the large intestine is called as a cecum. The appendix is connected to the cecum. Food then travel upward in the ascending colon मीन्स फूड जो है वो असेंडिंग कोलन में पास किया जाता है. द फूड ट्रैवल्स अक्रॉस द एब्डोमेन इन द ट्रांसवर्स कोलन, goes back down the other side of the body in the descending colon, then through the sigmoid colon. The end of the process, last end क्या है? Solid waste is then stored in the rectum and until it is excreted via